I saw a video today talking about the the desert of intellectual thought these days, and they mentioned how it really goes hand in hand with the huge drop in the number of people of any age who read for fun. And at the end, the woman talking, she was a historian, but she was also, her video is very relaxed and casual and social. And she said that she would like to see, a pizza place like Pizza Hut bring back the whole thing where you get a free personal pizza for every books you read, but to do that for adults. Incentivize people to actually exercise their brains for the for the fun of it again, and the ripples from that would be quite beneficial to society. And I second that campaign. So some pizza place somewhere out there should start giving away little pizzas for any adult who can come in and tell them about 5 books that they read in the last week or 2 weeks or whatever. I mean, not everyone's a fast reader, but a fair amount of time to read 5 books that are actually thought-provoking, thought-encouraging, thought-edifying. That would be amazing. And the results would certainly spread outward from there. The upward positive domino toppling would be, it'd be noticeable probably within a year. Maybe in time for the midterm elections, who knows? So, what books are you going to read? I've already got a few on my coffee table, and I'm slowly chipping my way through them. So, your turn.